Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. Then again 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a order of operation according to order of operation. So here is a 1 division, here is a 1 division, and here is also 1 division. So all have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it's from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. Therefore 6 divided 3 is equal to 2. Divide 6 divide 3. Now 2 divide 6 can be written as 2 by 6 divide 3. Okay, is equal to, now according to KCF rule, KCF, K means skip, C means change, F means flip. So K means keep this fraction same as it is. So 2 by 6 write as it is. Now C means change. Therefore change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip. Therefore flip this fraction. So 3 by 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Here is nothing. Therefore we can write as 3. Or sorry, we can write as 1. Okay. Is equal to 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 6 multiply 3 is equal to 18 is equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So the correct answer is 1 by 9. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.